Hello once again, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and we're doing another spooktacular video. I'm doing something a little different here. We're going to be doing an unboxing of an animatronic that I bought at Spirit of Halloween, and we're going to put it together and see how it works. If you've watched my other videos, you probably already know what animatronic I bought for this year, but if not, this is what I got. I got the man's possessed friend. It's a dog, a bulldog named Bubba, or a pit bull, and it's possessed, and it comes out ferocious barking sounds. It says red light up LED eyes and mouth. It includes a fog hose and connector for easy connection to fog machines if you want fog coming out of it. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that. I might. It stands 2 foot 10 inches tall. I got a pretty good deal on it. This is my regular dog here, Dixie. If you haven't met her, she's a standard poodle. And she probably won't like this once I put it together. She won't like it at all. But this is what we got. So like I said, it's motion censored, so when you walk by the front of it, the dog flies out barking and growling and snarling with red eyes. And I might just get the fog connector. Depends on how much money I spend this weekend at the next thing I'm doing. I'm going to another convention, which I will be putting that video out next week. So if I don't spend all the money that I'm taking, I might just get the fog machine and the fog liquid for it. But follow me on this adventure in this blog today of man's possessed friend. We're going to do an unboxing and see what's in it, see how hard it is to put together. So follow me on this adventure. So let's get right into it and see what comes in this box. I already see the dog's face, which is made out of a hard plastic, which is really cool. It looks realistic. So let's see here. We can get it out here. Should be able to, unless it's hooked or something here. Got some tape hooked to it. I'm not sure if it's hooked to something down there. Let's see here. I don't think it's hooked to anything. I'm having issues getting it out of the box. Well, let's try it a different way here. Didn't know it was going to be so difficult to unbox. Reach down here. There's the directions. So we'll look at that here in a second. Not sure what's in there. I'll have to get a knife here eventually to open all of this. Another box way down at the bottom. So I'm gonna put the camera down just a second so I'm able to get this out of the box because it's being difficult, so bear with me. Alright folks, I haven't unboxed anything yet. I'm just taking all the tape off and stuff so we can see what we got here. We got this metal piece here. Not sure what it's for till I look at the directions. We have 2 different small boxes here. This looks like the speaker part and plug in. So this is the sensor and the sound thing, so we'll keep it in there till I actually put it together. And then you get the another box here full of plastic parts and metal parts. Got all these plastic screws here, so it is going to be fun putting together, like always. When you put things together, you know how that goes. Got some metal pieces here. Some more metal pieces. The dog's real interested here in seeing what's going on. Every time you get something, put it together, she's curious or thinks it belongs to her. And then you got this piece here. It's a piece of wood with plastic ends. Then inside this box, we got another piece. And that's all that's in there. And this is what looks like maybe mechanism that makes the dog come out. I'm not sure. We'll lay that right there. Then we have the dog itself and the doghouse parts, which is right here. And we got the adapter. We all know what adapter is. There's the hose I see if we want to attach the fog machine. And there's the dog head itself, which my dog is really scared. She don't like stuff like that. But yeah, that's all the components. So it's going to be fun putting it together. Probably take me an hour or two. And directions look good enough. I mean, tells all the pieces you have, and it's not a really thick piece, so should be fairly easy, hopefully. Once I get it all put together, then I'll be back to show you what it looks like, and we'll operate it for you. And hopefully, once it's together, I have the option to adding a fog machine later without having to decide if I want to do it now, which I'm sure I can attach it later. That shouldn't be a problem. So hope you're enjoying this vlog on the unboxing of Spirit of Halloween's Man's Possessed Friend. Once it's all together, we'll come back and I'll show you what it does, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so follow me on this adventure. So this is what we have so far. I put the frame together. These just snap in the corners. You put the longer poles at the top and bottom and the shorter ones to the side. After we did that, we just slid this over the two bars and attached zip ties to each side. We also screwed this piece to this piece, bolt or a screw on each side. Same thing on the top, this piece to the dog piece. And then up here inside, the grooves just snap into the dog side A, and then clockwise turn it till it snaps in. And this is what we've got so far. The next part of assembly is the actual dog house that we're going to put together. So follow me on this adventure. Well, folks, we've got it pretty much together except for the roof. I have these extra parts here. That's for if I decide to attach a fog machine. I've got these parts left and the roof panels, which I'm going to put on. As you can see, all the wires are hooked together to the box, which is velcroed down there to the wooden panel. I've got my power cord ran through. So once I get it together, we'll hook it up and see how it works. But I did a pretty good job. I mean, You know how it is, I don't know if you're like me, but how it is about putting together something made from China. I actually am missing some pins here, bolts on each side. I busted 4 of them, so I'm just going to glue them on, which will work fine because it's sturdy enough without them. They never give you any extra parts. I think I have one extra black one here that I might use for one of these holes, or I just might glue the orange ones in to make it match. But that's what happens when you're putting stuff together sometimes, but it's sturdy enough, it's going to work for what I need it for. So let me get the roof attached. These are really tricky because the directions, it's bad. I mean, the only thing that's bad is the directions. When attaching these plastic pieces, don't really explain how they get attached, but then after looking at it, I figured it out. So that was after the fact that I broke the pieces. Like here in the directions, I'll show you what what I'm talking about. Oh no, I'm not that mechanically inclined, so, but it says to attach them, but it doesn't show how to attach the pieces of plastic to the corners. So that's what happens when the directions aren't very thorough. But all in all, done pretty good. I just got to attach the roof like I said. So follow me on this adventure. So we got it all together. We're going to test it out now and see if it works. Got it plugged in. Supposed to be able to walk by. It'll pop out at us. Okay, I got something in the way there, blocking it. Okay, let me see what I've got going on here and I'll be right back. Alright, just a little simple fix. I had to readjust the power box, but it's working good now, so let's check it out. Oh, no. Same issue. See if I can figure this out. Be right back. Alright, we finally figured it out. My wife did. She figured it was the weight of the head. The way the head was angled is why it wasn't working right. So I'll show you the finished product as you walk by it. And that's what it does. So we got it fixed. It's working now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. If you feel free to leave comments, suggestions of other things you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. And this has been a video on Man's Possessed Friend from Spirit of Halloween. Till next time, go out and have your own adventures. Enjoy life. This has been Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.